This video was created for educational purposes. All materials used are intended for that purpose. From a violently extreme chaos, came a vast, and extraordinarily extreme creation. 4.5 billion years ago, a violent storm of fire and stone exploded into a new vast existence. From those violent collisions and eruptions, our universe was born. The universe gave birth to everything that exists as we know it. Millions of galaxies began to form. Inside each galaxy, millions of stars were born. One such galaxy would later be referred to as the Milky Way. Within the Milky Way galaxy are thousands of stars. Each star is like a sun. Orbiting many of these stars are planets. These beautiful planets make up the star's solar system. Our star is simply called the Sun. Orbiting our Sun is our beautiful blue planet, Earth. Earth is one of thousands of blue dots within the vast amount of solar systems in the Milky Way galaxy. Earth is very similar to a planet called K218b, which also sits within the habitable zone of the K218 solar system. Earth began as a molten inferno, destined to become the stage for the greatest story ever told, the story of life. Earth's Hadean Eon era was brutal. There were oceans of magma, skies of poison, and constant bombardment. Yet, from this chaos, magma cooled, water condensed, oceans were formed, and the seeds of possibility were sown. Approximately 3.5 billion years ago, life appeared. Tiny microbes clinging to survival. Cyanobacteria began photosynthesis, which lead to the release of oxygen in the atmosphere. Slowly, Earth transformed from a hostile hot wasteland into a planet of opportunity. 541 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion unleashed a dazzling diversity. Creatures with eyes, shells, and complex bodies filled the oceans. Evolution's creativity began painting this planet with diverse endless forms. This included on land, air, as well as in bodies of water, called oceans. Dinosaurs became the alphas of the surface. Dinosaurs ruled the surface for 165 million years. Then, approximately 66 million years ago, a giant, extinction-level, asteroid struck planet Earth. The impact was catastrophic. The asteroid struck at what is now known as the Yucatan Peninsula, in modern-day Mexico. Firestorms, darkness, and mass extinction followed. The impact injected immense amounts of dust, sulfur, and soot into Earth's atmosphere. This caused a nuclear winter-like effect. Yet from this devastation, mammals rose, setting the stage for new forms of life. About 23 million years ago, a significant phase of evolutionary diversification occurred, leading to the rise of several highly intelligent and sophisticated mammalian lineages. These first apes are said to be the first primate ancestral to the Homo sapien ape. The Homo sapien ape would later be referred to as the human being. Humans tamed fire, painted stories on cave walls, and built impressive civilizations. In the blink of cosmic time, we became Earth's chief architects. We now live in the Anthropocene geological time period of Earth. This era is known as the Age of the Human Being. Our technology is reshaping landscapes. Our emissions are altering the climate. Our poor choices will have a profound impact on the fate of our fragile, beautiful, dear planet. Our choices and tolerance in the near future will be critical. If high temperatures continue to rise another 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, vast regions of Earth may become uninhabitable. Food systems, water supplies, and coastal cities face collapse. Humanity must act, or risk becoming another extinction story in the history of planet Earth. Even if we succeed, it was never in the plans of the cosmos for life on planet Earth to be forever. Earth's habitable timeline actually has an expiration date. In less than 1 billion years, the sun's growing brightness will boil away Earth's oceans. In less than 5 billion years, the sun's lifespan will begin to expire. It will expand into a red giant and consume all planets in our solar system. And our dear planet Earth will be in that number. Human survival depends on looking outward, towards colonies that may be built on other planets if successful. Space voyages to distant stars are not fantasies but necessities for any possibility of the survival of mankind. Earth gave us life, but the universe has set a time limit. Earth's story is vast, but our chapter was intended to be brief. Our education about space, our resolve and our ingenuity is in a race against time. Will we fade with our dear planet? Or will we rise to become a species of the stars? This vital choice is yours. And so, the story of Earth is not just a tale of beginnings. It's also a tale of endings. It is a reminder of our fragile place in the cosmos. From the first spark of life in the oceans, to the rise of sophisticated civilizations, every creature created, every precious heartbeat, every beautiful sunrise, every single thing created on this planet has been part of this grand timeline. And one day, Earth's moment of truth will indeed arrive, and our beautiful planet will be no more. But the echoes of our existence will ripple outward into the cosmos, carried by starlight into infinity. As we reflect on Earth's eventual fate, we need to remember one thing. Earth's timeline is not only about how it ends, but how we live our moments in it today. The choices we make, the beauty we create, the love we share, and moments we bear. This is not just the Earth's story. It's also our story. And though the timeline stretches beyond us, at this critical moment, it's about us. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the beginnings and ending of our dear planet Earth. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching Odyssey, Origins of Reality.